Hello warriors! So today I'm going to give you a sneak preview of one of our products that we're going to launch at Biochar Station at the end of this week. But stay tuned because at the end of this week we are also going to sweeten the pot a little bit, and you might just be able to grab one of these guys for free with one of your purchases, so watch the space. Our prototype for the kiln's grill attachment. So here's our small kiln. As you can see, it can perfectly fit on top. So we have like a cone shape, and then we have added this so you can put your pot onto it. And then we're also in the process of making a grill that goes on top of it, so you can also easily grill your meat. So there we go. That's what it looks like.